My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Volkswagen Transporter Camper. This vehicle has done just over 19,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with our cooker, sink and fridge just below. Next up is our first of two double beds. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this doubles up as 2 belted seats, making this camper 5 belts, full berth. To the left of our screen, we can access radio, media and smartphone integration. On the right, we have eject, setup and sound. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot. Just below our screen, we have our AC. And if we pan the camera around, we can get a good view of our pop top. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.